Hi, my name is Catherine Pinkerton, and I am going to be talking about my employer, USG Corporation, which is a 118-year-old corporation that is in the building materials industry, and we're most well known for our sheetrock brand drywall and other complementary products, which we will see in a moment. We're headquartered in Chicago, and we serve construction markets across North America, Canada, Mexico, as well as nationwide in the States. And we have a variety of products, which we will also see that can be used in commercial and residential applications. Here is a picture of all of our manufacturing locations in North America. So you can see a couple Mexico and Canadian locations. We are concentrated in more dense populations, such as if you look in the Ohio area, we can reach 60% of our population within 500 miles or less than a one-day drive. So heavy in the Midwest and East Coast. Many of our locations are 100 years old, such as Baltimore, Jacksonville, Florida, and Gypsum, Ohio, while a handful are about 25 years old, built during the Great Boom in the late 90s. These locations consist of paper mills, joint compound facilities, mines, quarries, wallboard lines, ceiling tile lines, furnaces or cupolas to make mineral wool for ceiling tiles, wastewater treatment facilities, and interstate gas lines. We do have a couple of standalone warehouses to better serve our customers in high volume areas. Those are not located on the map, as well as sales offices in major markets such as Toronto, Dallas, and LA. Here is a view of publicly available pictures that show various wallboard lines. None are specifically, except for the top left, USG, as that would be proprietary information. But it does give a feel for the scope of land, building, equipment, machinery, utilities, maintenance, and upkeep that's required to go into putting together a wallboard line and being competitive in the market. Here is several of our products and their applications. Going clockwise from the top left, that is in a commercial building and that product that they're using has some fire rated qualities, which is very common in commercial spaces. The top middle is our brand name sheetrock that you can find in many Home Depots, and it's a lightweight product. On the right is a exterior application, so that has both mold and water resistant qualities and can uphold to exterior elements. In the center is a picture of ceiling tile. So we manufacture a ceiling tile as well as the suspension grid holding it up. And on the far right of that picture, you can see some pixelated metal components that are more eye-catching for aesthetics rather than functionality, but we do also make those for special products. The bottom right shows the various joint compounds that we produce for different applications, and bottom left shows a Durock board, which is used in shower installations. USG has 7 core values, and for several decades, we have had these in there integrated in how we recruit, retain, and manage our teams, how we innovate and manufacture our products, and invest in our people and facilities. This can go from anywhere from clean and updated bathrooms to open door policies with anyone in management, how we manage our production lines in order for them to be efficient, how we handle safety both to be proactive and reactive, and how we continue to innovate our products to be better for the consumer and all of our customers as well. USG has a formal code of business conduct, and it covers conflict of interest from gifts and personal financial dealings, USG assets from both a physical and an intangible point. An intangible would include trade secrets and technology. It covers legal compliance, including antitrust and competition laws. The code of conduct protects integrity of our records from a financial, personal, and operational standpoint, as well as the quality of the workplace in responding to legal matters. This can be readily accessible on our website at the link provided. USG also has a large sustainability initiative. We make products that are eco-friendly and require less water and less energy to produce. We also have a solar panel farm in our Plaster City location, which is in Southern California. And we put the excess energy from that back onto the grid. USG has recently come out with 2030 goals for reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 15 to 30% in several sectors, eliminating our most dangerous chemicals, and having 100% transparency on all of the products that we use. We are also working on initiatives for construction site recycling and want to maintain ethical business practices and a safe work environment. A large focus for USG, both from an operational and personnel perspective, is automation. We want employees monitoring versus physically handling the product, and that's what you can see in the top left. We've even implemented automated guided vehicles in the bottom left, you can see, which are unmanned forklifts to move product into inventory around the warehouse and onto trucks for shipping. The right picture shows a generic picture of automated equipment that used to be more manually intensive or high touch. As we continue, we being the manufacturing industry struggle with hiring, particularly with the generational shift, who does not want to work night and weekend shift work, manual labor, 12-hour shifts, and exposure to ambient temperatures, which can both be extreme hot and cold. These integrations of this machine and technology, as it's accessible for mass production and implementation, make our workplace more attractive. And finally, the main three categories that our company is strategizing right now on are people, our customers, and our performance. As we create a more desirable environment for the workforce, we're able to meet production demands and maintain competitive in the industry. This includes automation, great benefits, and opportunities with a variety of work and promotions, while being an enjoyable, fair, consistent, and clean place to clock in each day. We want to deliver our product on time, especially as the market is used to Amazon's 1 or 2 day delivery. We want to have quick responses to our customers, great relationships with them, and be able to maintain inventory for all their needs. Having a safe, quality, and high efficiency operation will drive our performance, driving down our cost of goods sold and opening up opportunity cost. This in turn will allow us to invest in our people, plants, and operations.